Hey, what's going on, guys? How we doing tonight? This little wholesale break here, a little something different. Everyone gets 2 cards. You got 16 total cards in the box. 2 cards per person. Got a buddy that's going to randomize our entrant list after we get all the cards out. Yeah, try to pull a monster for sure. That'd be sweet. It'll be a snake draft too, so it'll be a 1 through 8 list, and then it'll flip after for the second round of picks. So the first spot will be the last pick in the second round. And we'll get it going here, guys. Only just a few of us in the break, so we'll get it ripping. Hopefully pull a big monster. Oops, bumped the camera there a bit. There we go. Hopefully pull something cool out of here. Best of luck to everyone. 4 packs, 11 total hits, 4 autos, 7 memorabilia, and then some parallel style cards. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Best of luck, everyone. First pack. Feels like a thick one. Just gotta tilt my monitor a little bit here. There we go. Let's see what's going on. Right on top. It hit right on top there. We'll just go right at it. Len Dawson. Chiefs. I think Hall of Famer, potentially. Chiefs autograph, Len Dawson. It's at a 49. So our first autograph. Chiefos. Let's go right at it here. Looks like they're kind of mixed up. So we might have another Chiefs one here. Patch card, Jeremy Maclin. Sunday Spectacle, another Chief. It's probably at a 199. Looks like the basic style. Yep, 41 out of 199. Jeremy Maclin patch. Next card we have Zeke Elliott. Monumental memorabilia. Nice card there. Nice patch. It's like a base style one, probably at a 199. Cowboys Phenom right now. 8 out of 199. Zeke Elliott patch. It looks like the last card in this pack. Parallel Jakeem Grant. Out of 99, Dolphins card. Nice little first pack there, pretty good. First 4 cards. First pack down, here we go, second pack. Good luck, everyone. Some more bad boys here. Oh, got something purpley looking. Set that like this. Seems to be a random kind of order for each pack. Chris Carter, I think these are at a 5. Nice purple. Out of 10, number 1 out of 10. Vikings parallel. Chris Carter, nice. Nice to see the low numbered parallel cards. Dorial Green Beckham Sunday Spectacle patch out of 99. Kind of basic style patch here. L'Oreal. Looks like we have a redemption here. We'll check out what that is later. Next hit, Brett Favre. Purple Epic Legends yellow patch here, number 5 out of 5 on the top right. Nice, pretty sweet Favre card there. JTC, he's here, bitches. Just pulled the Favre out. 5 out of 5 patch. Check out what our redemption is here. Last card of pack number 2. Rookie patch autograph, Hunter Henry. Redemption card. Chargers. We'll give you a little recap too right at the end, and then of course we'll just post everything. We don't need to recap. Here we go. Pack number 3. See what we got. Some cool things so far. See if we can keep it rolling. First card, Dorsett, Cowboys parallel out of 60. Dorsett. Next, got a Wentz Men's Materials. That one is out of 99. Another nice immense material card from a good rookie. Wincy boy. Next we have Derek Carr. Catalyst patch. Jumbo style patch there. Out of 199. DC. And last card of pack number 3, out of 99, Redskins Ricky Sanders, another full-time guy, retired. Got 2 of these legend style ones. Ricky Sanders, what did I say, was that 99? Yeah. Redskins. Okay, last pack, guys. Let's see what we can grab. Everyone gets 2 cards. Do our random after I get all the hits posted. Oh, we got another purple guy poking out. On the bottom. We'll do our card draft after we get this done. Here we go. Fran Tarkenton. Giants out of 99. Known for being on the Vikings, but Franny. Next card. Nice Flutie. It's a pretty cool auto. Doug Flutie on the Bears. 43 out of 50. Flute. Nice looking card there. Next we have just a DeMarcus Ware. It's probably our last hit. Dual patch, Cowboys in Denver. Probably just out of 99. Yeah, 16 out of 99. DeMarcus Ware patch. Then our last card, it's out of 5. Kirk Cousins. 1 out of 5 die cut card. Purple. These are a pain in the ass to get in the loads in the sleeves. There he is. Perfect. There we go. Cousins. 1 out of 5. So we'll do a quick little recap here. Cousins out of 5. Ware out of 99. Flutie out of 49. Tarkenton out of 99. Ricky Sanders out of 99. Derek Carr probably out of 199. Yep. Wentz out of 99. Dorsett out of probably 49 or 60. 60, yeah. Hunter Henry, redemption rookie patch autograph. Favre, 5 out of 5. Patch card. Dorial out of 99. Carter, 1 out of 10. Jakeem Grant out of 199. Or probably out of 99 actually. Yep, out of 99 rookie card. Zeke Elliott patch out of 199. Macklin out of 199. Len Dawson out of 99 or 49 auto. So that's it, guys. I'll get these all pictured and posted onto the break feed. Then I'll have Lorenzo do the random for us, and then we'll get it all drafted up. Okay, I'm just going to wait until the feed gets caught up with itself here in a second. Then I'll cut it. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to cut it off now and then I'll get those pictures up. Thanks guys.